hope you've had a good day so far. So today's presentation is about food delivery apps and subscription services. And these both are grocery shopping from home during a pandemic. For the table of contents for today's presentation, we have in section 1, food delivery apps, why these delivery apps are useful, recommended platforms, and how to use these applications. In part 2, we have food delivery subscription services, the purpose of these delivery subscription services, recommended subscriptions, and how to use those services. And in section 3, we will have a live demonstration. So, for section 1, food delivery app. So, why would you want to use a food delivery app? Well, using them, you can explore a wider range of cuisines, you can track the orders that you've made, you can receive offers and promotions. This also gives you a safe way to avoid contact of others during a pandemic. And it is also convenient. You do not have to leave your home or even speak on the phone. So, some food delivery applications that are common are Uber Eats, DoorDash, Grubhub, and Skip the Dishes. All of these platforms are available through the app or website. So, Uber Eats. Uber Eats was created in 2014 by the well-known company Uber. It is an online platform that allows customers to order food and have it delivered right to their doorstep. The overall fees for the order vary depending on factors such as location and available couriers. An Uber Eats courier delivers the meals, and this is available in the US and in Canada. And here you can see some examples of what an Uber Eats page and order might look like. So DoorDash is another popular company. This technology company became public in 2020. The platform allows people to connect to local restaurants. Customers order their food and then complete the payment. The delivery fee ranges from about $2 to $6, and anywhere in between. A dasher, or delivery person, picks up the meal and then brings it to the customer. And this is also available in the US and Canada. Grubhub is another food ordering delivery service that provides a diner with meals from local restaurants. They charge a 10% delivery fee from 99 cents to $12 based on the location and promotion. They offer free delivery on your first order, and this one is available in the US and major Canadian cities. Skip the Dishes is a service that is available only in Canada. It delivers from 16,000 restaurants across the country. Their delivery fees range from 99 cents to $6, but typically fall between about $3 and $4.50. Customers can order through the mobile app or website, and they are known for their fast service. So how to set up and use these apps. Setting up the apps. All of the apps follow a similar concept. Enter your account information or create an account using your email and phone number. Then you enter your payment information, and then you can browse the app/website. It's possible to simply browse restaurants near you by putting in your address and not logging in. So in using the apps, any of the apps, you want to go to the Home tab and Search tab to browse the restaurants. You can order by tapping on a restaurant and then choosing your food from the menu and add to cart. And then you can check out once you're done choosing. You can also track your orders in Orders tab. Some restaurants may use one specific food delivery service, so it may be a good idea to check multiple apps. So for part 2, we have food subscription services. So why would you use a food subscription service? Well, using them allows you to find new recipes with simple to understand and simple to follow instructions. The ingredients are shipped right to your door in a chilled box. There are multiple available plans and healthy meals available, and it provides you flexibility relating to the time and location of delivery. So some things about these food subscription services. You can subscribe and pay weekly for recipes. You'll often get 3 to 4 recipes per week. Usually, there are about 3 plans for 2 to 4 people or a vegetarian option. You can check out the recipes that they have on their website by clicking Our Recipes or on the menu. There are no allergy-specific plans, but there are recipes labeled gluten-free, nut-free, etc. So some of the most famous food subscription services are HelloFresh, Blue Apron, Chef's Plate, and Martha and Marley Spoon. For HelloFresh, it is $9.99 shipping on all plans. You pay $9.69 to $11.49 per serving, depending on the amount of people and dishes per week. It has an app for mobile devices, aka smartphones and tablets, and it is available in both the US and Canada. So Blue Apron has free shipping unless paying for 2 servings and 2 meals per week, in which case it is $7.99. You pay $7.49 to $8.99 per serving on 4 people plans, and you pay $9.99 per serving on 2 people plans. And this one is available in the US. Chef's Plate has free shipping unless paying for 2 people and 2 meals per week, in which case it's $6. This offers a very flexible menu, including vegetarian, spicy, and family-friendly options. It costs $9.99 for 2 people plans and $8.99 for 4 people plans. And this one is available in Canada. Martha and Marley Spoon is Martha Stewart's meal plan kit. You pay $6.39 to $10.25 per serving, depending on the amount of people and the dishes per week. You have plans between 6 and 2 dishes per week. It costs $8.99 shipping on all plans, and it's available in the US. So how to set up and use the subscription services. Setting up and using the subscriptions. For setting up and using the subscriptions, each subscription service follows a similar concept. You want to go to the website and click on View Our Plans, or Pricing, or Start Cooking, depending on the website. They will guide you through the process. Follow each step you're prompted to complete. It will ask you to create an account and for billing information when checking out. If you want to cancel a subscription, you can cancel it by going to your account settings and finding Manage or Subscriptions and pressing the Cancel button. You can also contact the company for assistance with canceling by going to Help. So now for the live demo. So we're first going to go over Blue Apron, which was one of the subscription food services. So this is their home screen. You can see some of the tabs up top, which we'll go over in a second. But you can scroll down and it will tell you some of their things that they do. So you can see that it talks about what you get in your meal kit. You can choose your plan. So at the top, you can see the first one is on the menu. This was one of the options that was mentioned in the presentation. This shows you some of the what's good about this, and it tells you what ingredients you need and how to do it. So then you can click Get Cooking, and it'll take you to the sign up page where you can sign up. So we can go ahead and go over this. So you want to put in your email, hit continue, and then you can create a password. But as you can see, you will want to then go over the plans and pricing, and then you'll check out. That's where you'll put in your billing information. But up here, we can see Blue Apron's pricing for their meals. And so this would be the second page of the sign up if it would have been working. So you tell them their preferences. So you have 4 options here. So the first is Chef Favorites, and so they'll just give you the test kitchen's top picks. Second is wellness, so nutritionalist approved recipes plus WW recommended selections. You have kid-friendly meals the whole family will love. And you have fast and easy, which are designed to be ready in 30 minutes. So you can click any combination of these for whichever ones you want. Then you can select your number of servings and your meals per week. And so it'll tell you how much, and then you can hit continue, whereupon it will take you to the billing information. So I believe that's about all for Blue Apron. So over here for Grubhub, this is their homepage. You can scroll down and see some of what they're talking about with their website. And so to get food delivery more, they want you to put in a zip code. So if I just put in a zip code here, we can do that. And this will bring up a bunch of restaurants in the area of the zip code. So you can see a lot of restaurants and you can choose some things. Like, let's say I want Asian. Asian's good. And so now it will only show me the Asian options. And or say I want hamburgers. So now it'll show me hamburgers. So if you like the look of a restaurant, you can click on it and it'll take you to a page where it shows you their menu. And so you can see all the things they have for each category plus the price. And so you can select what you want. And so I want French fries. So then it will pop this up asking for your address, which I'm obviously not going to put in now, but once you give it your address, then it will put it in your cart. And then after that, you can check out. And I believe that was about all for Grubhub. You can also see the about for this restaurant with all reviews and where they are. So yeah, I think that was just about it.